Karbi Lamet Amay, KLA, an apex body of Assam tribe, has urged Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, KAAC, and Assam government not to grant land to Kuki refugees. KLA has submitted a memorandum to KAAC Chief Executive Member Tuliram Ronghang yesterday, expressing grave concern over the influx of Kuki refugees from Manipur due to the ongoing crisis. KLA emphasized that the displaced Kukis are occupying Singhason and Khonbamon Hills under the jurisdiction of KAAC, including areas under Borjan MAC constituency. The memorandum stressed that Kukis are occupying the ancestral lands of Karbi Anglong. KLA has urged Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, KAAC, and Assam government not to grant land to the Kuki refugees. It urged to arrange makeshift shelters or camps in a designated place and under state's strict supervision to accommodate the displaced Kukis from Manipur on humanitarian ground. The memorandum also appealed to the district and state authorities to identify the influx and deport the refugees once the situation in Manipur stabilizes.